may pick whichever one you like best. 719. You're welcome to stay with us next time. 720. There was a murder in London yesterday. 721. They stared at the huge tiger with awe. 722. He never misses a chance to see a movie. 723. I cannot put up with my noisy roommates. 724. I will be back by the end of next month. 725. I'm good at freestyle and breaststroke. 726. It was your turn to wash them yesterday. 727. Let's go out to have a dinner, shall we? 728. Please push the ladder against the wall. 729. She is standing in the front of the bus. 730. The doctor asked me to watch what I eat. 731. The grass is moist early in the morning. 732. The test finished. We began our holiday. 733. This question is too complicated for me. 734. Tony speaks English and he plays tennis. 735. What is worth doing is worth doing well. 736. Would you like to go to a party with me? 737. All at once, a rabbit came out of a hole, 738. All characters in the book are imaginary. 739. Do you feel like going to that new disco? 740. Ducks know how to swim when they are born. 741. He spent most of his life gathering money. 742. He usually stays at home with his pet dog. 743. How peaceful and beautiful the country is. 744. I am told that you dance wonderfully well. 745. I have had several conversations with him. 746. It is the best film that I have ever seen. 747. It's only a party in honor of my birthday. 748. Learning English is like building a house. 749. Listening with your heart is good for you. 750. My grandpa died of hunger in the old days. 751. She feared staying alone in the farmhouse. 752. She guided the tourists around the castle. 753. She runs every day in order to lose weight. 754. She sang perfectly in the hall last night. 755. Somebody is always complaining to others. 756. They don't often have a bad day this year. 757. We regard the matter as nothing important. 758. We'll take our holiday sometime in August. 759. Could you direct me to the station, please? 760. Have you cleared your luggage with customs? 761. He bothered me with a great many questions. 762. He does exercises every day in the morning. 763. How do I control myself? I can't calm down. 764. I dig songs and I like pop music very much. 765. I'd like to cash a traveler's check, please. 766. I'd like to pick seashells this afternoon. 767. It's odd that they didn't reply our letter. 768. John seldom gets together with his friends. 769. Many people have been out of work recently. 770. Please give my best regards to your family. 771. Some people have compared books to friends. 772. The bat together with the balls was stolen. 773. The color of her dress suits her very well. 774. The days get longer and the nights get shorter. 775. The dress doesn't fit her. She is too thin. 776. The examination put a lot of stress on him. 777. The mother sat the child at a little table. 778. There is some difference between the twins. 779. They insisted on staying rather than going. 780. Trust me, the game is really worth playing. 781. Unlike her friends, she never gave up hope. 782. Well done. You are always doing a good job. 783. We're planning a tour to Italy this summer. 784. Were there any letters for me this morning? 785. Why isn't Mrs. Lee's cat catching the mice? 786. Your English is improving little by little. 787. Could you tell me where I can wash my hands? 788. Do you have any plans for the long weekend? 789. He decided to bring a suit against his boss. 790. He devoted his life to the study of science. 791. He had to choose between death and dishonor. 792. His previous attempts had been unsuccessful. 793. I determined that nothing should be changed. 794. I don't think it will lead to a good result. 795. I have 4 books and 2 magazines to check out for too. 796. I think I filled in everything correctly. 797. I'm not sure whether I have locked the door. 798. It took him a little time to fix that watch. 799. My father is at home looking for the ticket. 800. Not until last week did I get a work permit. Top 8019000.